A healthy piece of you has just appeared on a wanted poster. Not damaged, not infected, just you. Inside the bloodstream, a compact immune case room lights up. The file is stamped "Wanted," and the alarms treat it like evidence. So the question is not, why is there danger? It is, how did home become the enemy? Now zoom out. It is 7:12 in the morning. You are brushing your teeth in a small bathroom mirror. Outside, nothing looks dramatic. No warning light on your forehead, no tiny siren in your cheek. Rude, honestly, because inside, the immune case file called "The Wrong Suspect" has opened. The first clue is that your immune system does not attack badness in the abstract. It responds to things it can recognize. Molecular details, target labels, and signals that say, pay attention here. Usually this is brilliant. A real threat appears, the target matches, the response goes to the right address, and everyone in the case room gets to feel very competent. But in this file, the target label points at home. Now the case is not just asking why an alarm went off, it is asking what made the accusation believable. So the easy answer walks in wearing a little hat. Maybe the immune system just overreacted. The red stamp slams down. Incomplete. Because overreaction tells you the stamp was loud. It does not tell you why the stamp landed on you. Open the next page, and the same immune machinery appears twice. On one side, a real threat. Signals spread, response waves move outward, the target is marked correctly, useful, protective. Excellent paperwork. On the other side, home. Same kind of machinery. Same serious confidence. But now the arrows point back at the body's own tissue, which means the machinery is not the villain, the address is, and that changes the case. The deeper mystery is not only why an immune response started. It is what normally stops responses like this from ever reaching home. Then a hidden page slides out of the file. Self-tolerance. Restraint. This is the quiet rulebook that keeps the immune system from treating you like an invader. It is not one switch. It is layers. Some developing immune cells that react too strongly to self can be removed before they leave training. Some can be edited, silenced, or made unresponsive. Others, out in the body, are held back by regulatory controls that say, essentially, yes, we see the target. No, we are not doing this. A tiny sticky note appears on the file asking if this might be us. Good note. Promote that note. But safeguards can fail, weaken, or be bypassed. Sometimes genetics, inflammation, infection, tissue damage, or unusual exposure can make a self-target look more suspicious than it should. That does not mean one microscopic typo automatically equals disease. It means a wrong accusation matters when the systems that should close the case do not. So the file shuts, then reopens, same suspect, same label, more confidence. That is the unsettling part. The immune system is not being cartoonishly foolish. It may be using normal tools, following believable clues, and still aiming at the wrong place. Your immune system's scariest mistake is not failing to find the enemy, it is filing home as one. The red stamp hovers over the self-cell. For a beat, it does not move. The hidden talent of your immune system is not just what it attacks. It is how many times a day it looks at you, recognizes home, and stands down. The immune system is not simply your body's fighter. It is your body's recognition system, and its restraint is part of what keeps you intact. Because your body is not peaceful because nothing is happening. It is peaceful because countless possible attacks are being checked, restrained, and quietly dismissed. Back in the bathroom, you rinse the toothbrush. The mirror still shows an ordinary person at 7:12 in the morning, but now ordinary feels stranger. Inside, the old wanted poster returns. Same healthy cell, same red stamp, only this time, the file is corrected. And the corrected label is home, do not attack. And if you want to keep following the strange files inside ordinary life, subscribe and stay in the rabbit's hole.